How are you today? High five.
Yeah.
Are you ready for your swim lesson?
Yeah.
Okay. So the objectives for you today, man, is to be able to be relaxed in the water. Blow your bubbles 5 seconds when you breathe, okay?
Yeah.
And try to don't touch the ground when you swim. We try to do a little bit, okay, buddy?
Yeah.
Remember last time what we did, huh?
Yeah.
5-second bubbles,
Yeah.
tiger,
Yeah.
and bubbles again. And don't touch the bottom with your legs.
You know what if we do the frog one? Like the
Frog one?
two,
Okay. The breaststroke we can try again next time, sure.
Yeah.
Okay. So, are you ready for your bubbles?
Yeah.
Alright, show me. So, 5-second bubbles. Paddle with your hands. Paddle, 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 paddle. Come on. Don't stay in the water for too long, Sid. Sid. Okay, stop. Sid.
Yeah.
You cannot stay in the water forever. You need to get out the pool to breathe.
Yeah.
So you blow your bubbles 5 seconds.
Yeah.
5.
Yeah.
Then you need to go out and breathe in to put air inside you.
Yeah.
And then you blow bubbles again.
Yeah.
You cannot stay underwater forever.
Yeah.
I want 5 seconds with bubbles, no more than 5, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, show me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Paddle. Bubbles. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's it. Wow. Hey, cool. Excellent.
Yeah.
High five, man.
Yeah.
Good job. Did you do 5 seconds?
Yeah.
Did you touch the ground with your legs?
No.
What? I saw you touch the bottom with your feet. Try when you do your paddle, okay?
Yeah.
Kick with your legs to make sure you don't touch the bottom of the pool.
Yeah.
5-second bubbles. Breathe without touching the ground.
Yeah.
Alright, show me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tiger. Allez. Come on, get up. Bubbles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. No. You see what you did? Like this? That means you forgot your bubbles.
I don't know.
Don't hold your breath.
Oh.
Always blow bubbles.
Yeah.
No matter what. Okay? Come. Follow me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go up. Bubbles. Big bubbles. Up. Bubbles. Stop. All right. Touch the bottom. Can you touch the ground here? Hey, that was good. High five.
Yeah.
Come here. Allez, you try on your own. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up, up, up. Yes, my friend. This is a good one. Yeah. No, don't hold your breath. Big bubbles every time. Remember, you need to blow your bubbles every time.
Yeah.
Okay, bud? Show me underwater how it looks like. Hey!
Yeah.
High five! That was a good one.
Yeah.
You did your bubbles?
Yeah.
You don't touch the bottom?
No.
5 seconds or more?
Yeah. Practical.
That's correct. Come, show me again. Bubbles. Cool, you did your bubbles? Is it hard or is it easy? Easy, yeah, right? Okay, look. You try to finish maybe half of this by yourself. I'm just on the side. Can you show me how you do? I follow you. 5-second bubbles, paddle. Cool. Hey. Huh? How do you feel? Not problem?
No.
You scared of swimming?
Yeah.
You yes or no? Scared of swimming or not scared?
No.
Not scared? Oh, that's awesome. So we go together over there, okay? I hold you, and you will just need to move your hands when you need to breathe, okay?
Yeah.
Alright, go slowly, take a big breath.
Come on, look.
Okay. Paddle when you need to breathe and down. I keep holding your body, okay? So don't worry. Just paddle your hands when you need to breathe. And bubbles. Correct. Okay, remember, Sid, after your 5-second bubbles, pull the water with your both hands one by one to breathe. And when you breathe only one time. Never hold your breath. Always do big bubbles in the water. It's cool? No problem? You go first and I hold your legs again, okay? Allez, let's go, bud. Awesome. Slowly, take your time. Paddle, paddle. Relax and bubbles. Cool. That's awesome. Okay, now your legs in the sun, Sid. When you swim, you try to be horizontal. If you are sinking from your legs, it's harder to swim, okay? So what we do now, with your feet, we will try to splash the water behind you. Okay, grab my shoulders, I show you. Grab my shoulders first. Okay, slowly. Show me your legs behind you. Kick the water, kick, splash the water with your both legs. Alright, splash, non-stop. Splash faster. Splash, stop. Awesome. That's very good. Can you show me again? Big bubbles. Paddle bubbles. Paddle bubbles. Paddle bubbles. Alright. Hey bud, with your hands it is excellent. But I did not see with your legs what you did. How come I did not see? What have you done with your legs? You forgot to splash? You're supposed to splash, bud. Don't forget. Allez, go. Alright, Sido. That was pretty cool. Everything was pretty cool. How you feel today? Okay. We do again a little bit the exercise of bubbles. Okay? Okay. Put your goggle on. We will do together. Are you ready? Yes? Okay. Look down and bubbles. C'est parti. Just bubbles. You can keep your feet on. You can keep your feet on the ground. Okay? Look down slowly and try to blow your bubbles. 5 seconds. 3, 4, 5. Awesome. Now when you come to me, you float and you kick with your legs in the same time. Come, let's go. 1, 2. That's pretty good, man. I like it. It's nice. How you feel? Awesome? Hey Sid, next time we can try to learn the breaststroke together. That was very good. Alright, see you next time? Alright, take care, Sid. Cheers.